my channel. Here I will try to teach you everything I know about Unity. In this video we will learn an easy way to move a character. Here we have a player container object, and some graphics. In our player object, let's create a new script called movement. Since we will use a rigid body to move our player, let's add a new collider 2D, and a new rigid body 2D. Let's adjust the size of our collider to fit well with our graphic. In our rigid body, let's reduce the gravity scale to 0. Let's put the interpolate mode to interpolate, and in the constraints, let's freeze rotation on the z-axis. Now, let's create our movement script. Just before test, let's give a proper speed to our character. Well, our movement looks good. Consider to subscribe if you find these videos useful.